God just kept pushing me as I was getting this burden for Afghanistan and Iraq and Turkey. These countries were the big thing. Hardly anyone was working there. Many weren't planning to work there. People said they're not responding. And I thought that is what God's called me to for my life.
Well, it's over 50 years now, and it's grown. So there's about 6,000 of us in 110 nations. I'm no longer the leader. I led it for about 46 years, helped start it when 3 of us went to Mexico. About 160,000 have been with us since then, as we specialized initially in short term, and then it grew into a wider, longer term ministry in many different ways, many different countries.
Again, in this past year, I've had the privilege with this globe or similar globes to minister some 300 times around this amazing planet in many of your countries.
Just to recap, you get kicked out of Russia. This is then in Austria, you go up a tree for a day of prayer.
Mountains.
Yeah, and you went and sat on a tree.
Well, just for that, for a few hours, but that's where I got the name Operation Mobilization. I'm not trusting myself or trusting my 57 years of walking with Jesus, but I'm trusting Him.
So brothers and sisters, what God has called us to do, and it's still a huge task, isn't it? It's a huge task. Yet, at the same time, we've been in the midst of the greatest global harvest of people the world has ever seen.